To be able to support you with issues you have with plugins we've built, we may ask you to share your site health report. And WordPress has a built-in site health diagnosis that shares information about your server settings and installed plugins, active themes, and all other kinds of details about your WordPress website. And in some cases, we don't have access to your WordPress website via a temporary login or something, and then it's very helpful to us to have an overview of all the things going on in your WordPress website. So in this video, I want to show you where the site diagnosis, site health report can be found, where it can be copied and then shared with us. So if you go to your WordPress website under Tools, Site Health, and then you have two tabs here. The status tells you something about improvements you may need to do, but under Info tab, you have all this information. So you have information about WordPress, active themes, plugins, your server, all the PHP settings, but also, for example, for our plugin, we created a custom tab with information that is necessary for us to solve issues for you. So, for example, also what type of cron schedule you have, an internal cron or a server cron. So by going to Info, copy site info, you get a report that can be shared to us, and it contains all this information in a raw format. So now you know what the site health is about and where you can find it. Next time you can share it with us. Thank you very much for watching.